everybody. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make these really easy and super cute DIY wedding invitations using PicMonkey, which is a free online editing software that anybody can access if you have an internet connection. Um, it's just a really simple downloading a template onto your computer, adding your event details, and printing. And it saves you hundreds and hundreds of dollars, and it's really easy to do. Anybody can do it. You don't have to have any special skills or software or anything like that. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to open up PicMonkey. You're going to open up your internet browser, and you're going to go to www.picmonkey.com, and I'll link that down below also so that you can access it that way. And then you're going to click on Edit, and you're going to choose Computer from the menu that pops up. And by this time, you will have already downloaded your invitation template to your computer. So you're going to go to wherever you have it saved, and you're just going to go ahead and bring it up in PicMonkey. And what it's going to do is it's going to open up your template, and it's going to just have the artwork on it ready for you to add your event details and save. So here's the template. This is how it comes. It comes already formatted on an 8.5 by 11-inch sheet. All you have to do is add your event details in the blank areas, save it, and print it. You can print it from a home printer. You can print it from a printing vendor like Kinko's, Staples, Walmart, Walgreens. You can also use an online vendor such as Vistaprint, or really anything that, any vendor that you choose. And we have one that we recommend that really has great quality and really, really, really affordable prices. So I will leave the link down below to our printing recommendation. But let me just show you guys how simple it is to have your invitations done in just a couple of minutes. The first thing you're going to want to do is go over here to the left side, and you're going to click on this little T icon for text. And it's just going to bring up all of your font options in PicMonkey. You can use any of their font options, or you can also use any of the fonts that you have already installed on your computer by choosing this button here, Yours. So if you have like a really pretty font that you really want to use for these invitations, or one that you've purchased, or just one that you already have installed on your computer that you prefer to use, then you would click on Yours, and it will bring up all the fonts you already have on your computer. Otherwise, the PicMonkey fonts, they have a ton of options for you to use. So either way, it's going to work out great. So I'm going to go ahead and just use one of their free options just to show you guys how easy it is. I'm going to use this Cardo font. So you just click on whatever font you choose, and then you click Add Text. And then you're going to see a text box pop up here. And you're going to drag it to wherever you want it. And you're going to double click inside the text box, and you're just going to start typing. Now you're going to notice when I start typing that the font is really big. Don't pay attention to that just yet, because as soon as I'm done, we're going to adjust the size and everything. So first, we're just going to add our details. And what you're going to add is, I'll just put some typical wording in there for a wedding invitation. Let's say, together with their families. I'm going to leave big space for the names, and I'm going to put the names in a fancier font, so I'm going to leave a space for now. And then underneath the names, I'm going to have it say, request the honor of your presence, as they are joined affair in marriage. So let me size this before I go any further. I'm just going to highlight all the text that I just typed out, and I'm going to go over here. I'm going to center it using this little middle icon here on the right. And then on this slider right here, when you drag it to the left or to the right, the font will get bigger or smaller. So I'm going to drag it to the left, and I'm going to drag it down. A good font size for invitations is anywhere between 52 and 59. So I'm going to leave it right about there. That looks good. And I'm going to make it white. You can choose any color you want over here on the color palette, and I'm just using white, which is way up here in the corner. And then you're going to drag the box wherever you want it to be. So I'm going to put it here, and I'm going to double click inside of the box, and I'm going to make a bigger space where the name should be. So I'm going to drag it down just a little more, and I'll do the names last. So now I'm going to start typing the date. So we'll just say Saturday, August 22nd, 2019 at 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Valley Country Club. And then I'll put the address in, the city, state, and zip. And then I'm just going to put reception to follow. This is just, I won't put a period there. This is just, basic wedding invitation wording. You can put whatever you want. I'm just showing this for the purpose of showing you guys how easy it is. And then I'm going to drag the box down to right here, just to right where I want the words. And now I'm just going to add the names. So I'm going to use this pretty Corneria script here. I'm going to select it, and I'm going to click Add Text. And again, another box is going to pop up. I'm going to drag it here where I want the names to be. I'm going to double click inside the box, and now I'm going to type the names. So let's just say Melissa and Joshua are the bride and groom. I'm going to highlight it, and I'm going to also, I think I'll make the names in like a blush color just to go along with the flowers. Again, you don't have to, you can use whatever color you want, but it's just to show you guys how much variety and how much, how many options you have. It's really great. Look how quick that got done. Beautiful invitation in just a couple of minutes. And now I'm just going to head over here to the RSVP card, again, using the Cardo font on the left. Click the Add Text box, drag the box to where I need it. And again, I'm just using standard RSVP wording. If you want to use something fancy or you want to explore your wording options, you just Google it. Google the wedding invitation wording, and there's tons and tons of different options from really casual to really fancy wording, and it's just all up to you, whatever you want to do. So everything that I'm using is just for example purposes here. So I'm just going to say the favor of a response is requested by, I'll put a date, and then I'm going to put yes, can't wait, sorry, can't make it. And I'm going to put the M underneath for the names. Again, the font is really big, and we're going to adjust that as soon as we're done. And then I'm going to put number of guests. Or you can put number of seats reserved, however you want to word it. So now I'm going to highlight all this text. I'm going to make it white, and I'm going to make it smaller. So first, let's resize it down and center it. Make it make it white so we can see. Okay. Let's think 45. That's better. And then I want to make the actual headline date for the RSVP a little bit bigger than the rest of the font, so it sort of pops. So like that. Okay. And then I'm gonna just sort of condense that there so it's not so spacey. drag the box to where I want it. And again, you can play around with this until it looks right. And I'm going to make this line a little longer, so you can write a longer name if they need to. And then the RSVP card is done. Simple as that. Super easy. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to just take this text box and I'm going to right click and click duplicate text. And I'm going to drag it on down to the details card. And all I'm going to do is highlight the text and just start typing over it because we already have our font selected and everything else. So let's just say, for more information regarding this other way, corrections, accommodations, registry, and more, please visit our wedding website, www.melissa and josh.com. Of course, you don't have to have a wedding website. It's just standard text that I put here. For example, you can put whatever you want on here. You can put directions. You can put anything on here. Hotel accommodations, anything that you need to include in your details for your guests. And then I'm going to just move it right about there. And that's it. Look how quickly you got done your invitation, RSVP, and details card. Now, all you have to do is print this out on 8.5 by 11-inch white cardstock, or have it printed at a vendor of your choice. Cut out each file, and you're done. Saves tons of money, you guys, and it's such an easy option, and it's really, really simple. Really, anybody can do it as long as you have an internet connection and some type of access to a printer or a print vendor. You can do it. All the artwork is already done for you, as well as the headers. So all you really need to do is add the text, like I just showed you, and you're good. It's really simple and not intimidating at all. And again, you can just continue to watch this tutorial if you have to, wind it and just go step by step. But it really is worth it as far as savings go. So once you're finished and you have them all printed out, you're just going to cut them out right along the borders of each card. The invitation is a 5 by 7-inch, and the RSVP and details card are both 3.5 by 5 inches. So pretty standard. And then once you have all of your work saved here, all you're going to do is click on export, and it's going to bring up an option for you to name it. We'll just keep it 103 template like I have it, and you're going to click. I usually leave all this at the default, so I don't usually touch this or play around with it. It's fine how it is. And then you click export to computer, and you just save it to your computer. I'll just click yes because it's already saved, and then you're ready. Your file is print ready. You can send it to a print vendor. You can send it to your own printer. All you really need if you're cutting it yourself is white cardstock paper, which you can get at any craft store, online, Amazon, eBay, Michael's, Hobby Lobby, and a paper cutter. That's really all you need. So it's really simple, really easy, and it saves literally hundreds of dollars. So we all know that weddings can be really expensive, and if you're on a budget like most people are, this is a really good way to cut costs and be able to spend money in other places. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will link down below every detail for this video. I will link where to get the templates exactly. I will link our print vendor recommendations, and I will link our email. If you have any questions or concerns, leave a comment or send us a note. But all of the directions for where to get these templates are going to be linked down below. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you have any questions, again, let me know. Thanks. Bye-bye, everybody.